This is Nerdman reporting for duty.
With a sidekick Dork Boy.
Dork Boy. This is our launcher.
And Retardo Man. Retardo Man.
There we are. Would you close it up, please, Dork Boy? Excellent. Engage safety interlock switch. I'm going to hold on a second. Let me show the button. That's the button they're going to be pressing. All right. Hold on. There's the rocket we're going to be launching. Let me just zoom right in on the engine of it as we begin the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignition sequence start, 2, 1, liftoff.
Oh, shoot! Crap!
Let that thing go. Nerdman is attempting to find the rocket. Harder than you might think. Whoa. It is. Another successful launch by Nerdman. Over and out.